Hi, and welcome to Voice with Julia and day 109 of our Marchesi Vocal Challenge. Today we are finishing up with our triplet. No, we're not. Sorry, we're not finishing up. We've still got a couple more to do. But we are continuing with our triplets with exercise number 160, and we're going to do 16th note triplets today. Oh, so get ready. It's fast.
Voice with Julia, change your voice, change your life.
Okay, I just don't like 16th note triplets. I'm gonna put it right out there. This is hard, and they throw in crazy scale degrees here too. So not only is it twice as fast, but we've got this da 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 da. Okay, so you have to make sure you get that fourth jump right away. So I would practice this. That's how I would practice that, okay? Then you've got so just so that you really understand where those bass notes are in this exercise, if you're not certain, again, if you look at the triplet, you have two notes and an inner note. The inner note is not the bass note, okay? The two outer notes are the bass note. So that's what you want to anchor your ear to. However, remember that she writes you want to accent the middle note so that you equally weight the triplet. So it sounds like I'm contradicting myself. I'm not. You need to hear the harmony of the first note, hear the melodic anchor of the first note, but you need to accent the second. Easy, right? Why can't everybody do it? Yeah, have a little patience with yourself. I'm going to try to have patience with myself on this exercise. Go slow, take breaths if you have to. Okay, we're going to see how I do here. She does write down here, you can breathe. And she's like, after the second measure, breathe after, let's see, the F, the fourth triplet, the first note of the fourth triplet, she marks to have a breath. So we can do that. Totally fine. One other thing I want you to notice on exercise 160, going up, we have all going up motives, right? Da, 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 da. But then as we're descending the scale, the first one is going up, then da, 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 da. Oh my gosh. Do you see how crazy that is? You might want to circle that, okay? So the first one of the group, here's what we got. We got one ascending triplet, then two descending triplets, one ascending triplet, two descending triplets, one ascending triplet, two descending triplets. You need to make note of that. I was just about to record this and I didn't see it. So it's very tricky. Okay, so after we do the first section of 160, you might want to pause and just double check that second section. Okay, and here is exercise 160. I'm going to take the first part at a nice tempo. I might have to slow down the second part. Here we go. Okay, now here you got to go up, then down, two, then up. Okay. Breathe. No. Did you see what happened in the last measure? It was something completely different. Okay, so let's do that again. Breathe. So then they continue down with the da 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 da. I'm so done with triplets. I'm all over it, okay? But that is fun. I dare you to speed that up. I'd love somebody to go fast on that, okay, who hasn't practiced it like for years and years and years. Love to see somebody try and go fast on that. I guess I will try over the next few days to get that faster, but we've got more coming up, more 16th notes. So yeah, maybe we won't try to speed that up. Maybe we'll just keep going and see what happens. We can always come back at the end, right?